Hello, health enthusiasts. I am excited to present today's topic on intermittent fasting and its potential for weight loss. This video will explore the science behind intermittent fasting, the various methods available, and how to begin incorporating it into your routine. We will also discuss which foods suit intermittent fasting and which to avoid. Additionally, we will touch on possible side effects and how to mitigate them. Finally, we will share some success tips and strategies to help you reach your weight loss goals. So, please continue watching to learn more about this effective weight loss technique. Let's dive in. Intermittent fasting, IF, is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what to eat, IF primarily focuses on when. It has gained significant attention recently due to its potential for weight loss and various health benefits. This comprehensive guide will explore the science behind intermittent fasting, its benefits, different methods, practical tips for getting started, foods to include and avoid, and much more. The science behind intermittent fasting. One of the fundamental mechanisms behind intermittent fasting is its impact on insulin levels. During fasting periods, insulin levels drop, which makes stored fat more accessible for energy. This can be particularly beneficial for weight loss. Fasting can stimulate a process called autophagy, which is like a cellular recycling program. During autophagy, your body breaks down and removes damaged cells and cellular components. This process contributes to longevity and reduces the risk of various diseases. Intermittent fasting can increase human growth hormone, HGH, and norepinephrine levels. These hormones play a role in fat burning and muscle preservation, benefiting those aiming to lose weight while maintaining lean muscle mass. Fasting allows your cells to undergo repair and maintenance processes. This occurs because when you're not eating, your body isn't focused on processing food, so it can allocate resources to repair and optimize cellular functions. Health benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers many potential health benefits beyond just weight loss. Here are some of the most notable advantages. Weight loss. When done correctly, intermittent fasting can reduce calorie intake, essential for weight loss. It can also help with fat loss by enhancing insulin sensitivity and encouraging the body to use stored fat for energy. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting is a viable strategy to enhance your body's capacity to process glucose, resulting in increased insulin sensitivity. This can ultimately reduce the likelihood of developing metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes, thus improving your general well-being and minimizing the risk of chronic illnesses. It is an option worth contemplating. Heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve cardiovascular health by reducing risk factors such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and inflammation. Brain health. Some studies suggest that IF may support brain health and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It may also enhance brain function and mental clarity. Inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation is associated with numerous diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Intermittent fasting can help reduce chronic inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of these conditions. Longevity. Although the direct link between intermittent fasting and longevity in humans is still being studied, some animal studies have shown that fasting can extend lifespan. This effect is believed to be related to autophagy and other cellular repair processes. Different methods of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a flexible approach, and there are several methods to choose from. Each method has its unique fasting and eating windows. Here are some of the most popular IF methods. 16/8 method. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours daily and eating all your meals within 8 hours. For example, you might eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. 5-2 diet. In the 5-2 diet, you usually eat 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to around 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 non-consecutive days. These are often referred to as fasting days. Alternate day fasting. Alternate day fasting involves alternating between days of regular eating and days of fasting or consuming very few calories. On fasting days, you might have one small meal or snack. Eat, stop, eat. The eat, stop, eat method involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you might fast from dinner one day to feed the next day. The warrior diet. The warrior diet is a diet that consists of consuming small portions of raw fruits and vegetables throughout the day, followed by a large meal at night. This method also includes a 20-hour fasting period with only a 4-hour window for eating. I am curious if you have any experience with this eating regimen. Thanks for taking the time to leave a comment below. Your support means a lot to me and helps me create better content. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. Looking forward to hearing more from you soon. How to start intermittent fasting. Starting intermittent fasting requires careful planning and consideration. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Before beginning any new diet or fasting regimen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Select an intermittent fasting method that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Remember that what works for one person may not work for another, so find what suits you best. Define your goals for intermittent fasting. Whether it's weight loss, improved metabolic health, or other benefits, having clear objectives will help you stay motivated. If you're new to fasting, consider easing into it. Begin with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase it as your body adapts. During your eating window, focus on nutrient-dense foods. Plan your meals to ensure you get the essential nutrients your body needs. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, and other non-caloric beverages during fasting periods to stay hydrated and help control hunger. Keep a journal to track your fasting schedule, meals, and feelings. This can help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. Pay attention to your body's signals. Breaking your fast early is okay if you feel unwell or overly hungry. Foods to eat during intermittent fasting. Protein. Protein is vital to your overall immune health and maintaining muscle mass. Muscle is necessary to optimize blood sugar balance and keep our metabolism high. Lack of power can promote weight gain, more elevated blood sugar, and frailty. Remember to include cultured protein foods such as plain yogurt, kefir, buttermilk, or cottage cheese, as these foods are rich in probiotics to support a healthy gut microbiome. Optimal protein sources include salmon, eggs, ribeye steak, pork chops, chicken thighs, legumes, and nuts and seeds. Fish and seafoods. Seafood of any type is an excellent choice during your feeding window. Fish such as wild-caught salmon or sardines are very high in protein and rich in omega-3 fats that are necessary for optimal health and to reduce cellular inflammation. DHA and EPA are essential omega-3 fats that we must get from our diet. Unfortunately, with intermittent fasting, many are deficient in this necessary nutrient, which is why supplementation would be an excellent choice. Fish and seafood to optimize intermittent fasting include wild-caught salmon, rainbow trout, mackerel, sardines, anchovies, mussels, oysters, crab, lobster, and shrimp. Healthy fats. Healthy fat is crucial to optimal health. However, many people have a fear of fat, but they shouldn't. Healthy fat is necessary for cellular health, energy, hormone production, insulation to keep us warm, and organ protection. Adding fat to the diet is required to metabolize fat-soluble nutrients such as vitamin D, vitamin E, multivitamins, or herbs and spices such as turmeric or rosemary. These vitamins need fat and do not dissolve in water. Sources of healthy fats include olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, MCT oil, ghee, avocados, nuts and nut butter, chia seeds, flax seeds, and olives. Veggies. Vegetables are vital to optimal health, and adding them to your diet during intermittent fasting is an excellent strategy. Vegetables also serve as prebiotics. The vegetable fibers feed our healthy gut bugs, resulting in a healthier gut, a leaner body, and optimal health. Nutrient-rich vegetables to eat while intermittent fasting: spinach, chard, arugula, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, celery, asparagus, and seaweed. Fruits. Fruit can be a welcome source of nutrient-rich food while intermittent fasting. However, choosing low or medium sugar fruits is vital, as excess fruit sugar, fructose, can promote metabolic health issues and undo many of the benefits accrued during IF. The best fruits for intermittent fasting are strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, kiwi, grapefruit, apples, lemons, limes, avocado, and tomatoes. Whole grains. Whole grains are a unique type of food in that, for many people, they either have no increased blood sugar response, inflammation, or gut distress, but others have all of the disorders above. If you cannot tolerate grains via the lectin or gluten inherent in the grains, leave them off your shopping list. Remember to avoid all refined foods, including grains such as white flour. Healthy whole grains that help to optimize intermittent fasting include organic oatmeal, organic millet, organic quinoa, organic brown rice, organic black rice, and organic wild rice, actually a seed. Legumes and beans. Beans and legumes are excellent choices for your intermittent strategy meal planning. They are often disregarded but are true powerhouses packed with fiber, antioxidants, protein, B vitamins, and other vitamins and minerals. They help to balance blood sugar, keep hunger and cravings at bay, perfect for intermittent fasting, reduce LDL cholesterol, and promote gut health, the epicenter of every aspect of health. Nutrient-rich beans and legumes include black beans, chickpeas, garbanzo beans, green beans, lentils, lima beans, and kidney beans. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices have a potent, powerful, and anti-inflammatory impact on our health and are delicious, too. They help to optimize your intermittent fasting results. Add any herb and spice to almost every meal. Top herbs and spices include turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Beverages. Intermittent fasting means you cannot eat during your fasting period. A good rule to remember is that anything with calories will break a fast, such as soda, juice, and coffee or tea with any milk, creamer, or sweetener. However, you can have water and unsweetened coffee or tea without milk or creamer. Coffee and tea, green tea in particular, help boost the benefits of intermittent fasting. Foods to avoid. Highly processed foods. Avoid highly processed foods like chips, sugary snacks, and fast food. They are often high in empty calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Sugary beverages. Avoid sugary beverages such as soda, energy drinks, and excessive fruit juices. They can lead to spikes in blood sugar and unnecessary calorie intake. Trans fats. Trans fats, commonly found in fried and processed foods, should be eliminated. They are linked to heart disease and other health issues. High sugar foods. Cut back on high sugar foods like candy, pastries, and desserts. They provide little nutritional value and can lead to weight gain. Excessive alcohol. Alcohol can interfere with your fasting goals and disrupt your metabolism. Limit your alcohol consumption, especially during fasting periods. Processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meat are high in sodium and often contain additives. Choose leaner protein sources instead. Refined grains. Avoid refined grains like white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals. Opt for whole grains for better nutritional value. Sauces and condiments. Many sauces and condiments contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Be mindful of what you add to your meals. Highly caffeinated beverages. While some caffeine can be beneficial, highly caffeinated beverages can disrupt sleep patterns. Be cautious with your caffeine intake, especially in the evening. Artificial sweeteners. While generally considered safe, some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may affect appetite regulation. Use them in moderation. Common myths and misconceptions. There are several myths and misconceptions surrounding intermittent fasting. Let's address some of them. You must skip breakfast. Intermittent fasting doesn't require you to skip breakfast. You can choose your eating window to align with your preferred meal times. Fasting slows down metabolism. Research indicates intermittent fasting can boost metabolism by increasing fat oxidation and preserving lean muscle mass. Fasting causes muscle loss. When done correctly, intermittent fasting is unlikely to cause muscle loss. It can help with muscle preservation due to increased human growth hormone, HGH, levels. You can eat whatever you want during eating windows. Intermittent fasting is not a license to indulge in unhealthy foods. The quality of your diet still matters for overall health and weight management. It's not safe for women. Intermittent fasting can be safe and effective for women. However, women may need to tailor their fasting approach to hormonal fluctuations. Possible side effects and how to manage them. Intermittent fasting, like any dietary change, can have side effects. Here are some potential side effects and how to manage them. Hunger and irritability. During fasting periods, you may experience hunger and irritability, especially initially. To manage this, stay hydrated and consider consuming low-calorie beverages. Energy fluctuations. Some people may feel fatigued or experience low energy levels, especially when starting intermittent fasting. Your body will adapt over time, but getting enough sleep and staying hydrated can help. Nutrient deficiencies. If not balanced, intermittent fasting can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Ensure you get essential nutrients during your eating window by focusing on a well-rounded diet. Disordered eating. Intermittent fasting may not suit individuals with a history of eating disorders. If you have concerns about your relationship with food, consult with a healthcare professional. Sleep disruption. Late-night eating during fasting windows can disrupt your sleep patterns. Finish your last meal well before bedtime to ensure a restful sleep. Gastrointestinal issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort when starting intermittent fasting. Gradually adjust to your fasting schedule and consider consulting a healthcare professional if issues persist. Success tips and strategies. To make the most of intermittent fasting, consider these success tips and strategies. Stay consistent. Consistency is vital with intermittent fasting. Stick to your chosen method and eat windows as consistently as possible. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and during fasting periods to stay hydrated and reduce hunger. Be patient. Results may take time. It's crucial to keep in mind that progress can be a challenging path. Sometimes, we encounter temporary hurdles, and feeling disheartening can be tempting. However, if we remain patient and persevere, we will eventually overcome these obstacles and witness more advancement. Therefore, let's maintain an optimistic outlook and strive towards our goals. Combine with exercise. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting and promote overall health. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to intermittent fasting. Adjust your approach as needed to suit your individual needs. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss and improving overall health. You can harness its potential benefits by understanding its science, choosing the suitable method, and following best practices. Before starting any new dietary regimen, consult a healthcare professional and listen to your body throughout your intermittent fasting journey. You can achieve your health and wellness goals through dedication and consistency through intermittent fasting. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel for more empowering content.